Mail order medicine saves you time and money, but in our area, that convenience could make your medications less potent or even ineffective.
Action News Jax investigator Ben Becker exposes what some call weaknesses to the laws meant to protect consumers and the 6 ways to spot if your prescription medications are damaged.
Prescription drugs, life-saving medications, packaged up and shipped to your door. Tens of millions of Americans get their prescriptions through the mail. For many, it isn't by choice.
For 90-day maintenance meds, they're required to go through the mail order.
Many health insurance companies and even the Veterans Health Administration require 90-day refills be delivered. But in our area,
I don't like medicine sitting on my front porch in the sun and in the heat.
temperature-sensitive drugs are left for hours in the heat.
It could sit from 10 in the morning till the end of the day.
So how hot does it get in a mailbox like this one, especially with your medicine sitting inside? I put a thermometer in as well and let it sit for 8 hours.
And as you can see in this time lapse, in just 1 hour, the temperature rose from 84 degrees to 107. Drugs like insulin, thyroid medicines, and Valium can be seriously affected by heat. One government study of the asthma medicine formoterol found triple-digit heat exposure for just 3 hours compromised the ingredients.
Suddenly those chemical bonds are no longer as tightly bound as they were before. They start to lose their effectiveness.
Dr. Sunil Joshi is the medical director for the Duval County Medical Foundation. He says it comes down to cost versus quality control.
Well, unfortunately, the insurance company also saves money doing it this way.
The U.S. mail-order pharmacy market is an estimated $106 billion industry. Federal law governing prescription drug distributors say all prescription drugs shall be stored at appropriate temperatures and under appropriate conditions in accordance with requirements. But I found there are no specific requirements for monitoring temperatures in transit. Some have called for the FDA to address what they call weaknesses in the drug delivery system. I reached out to one of the country's largest pharmacy benefits managers, Express Scripts, and received a statement that reads in part, quote, "We take many precautions to ensure the safe shipping of medications to our members' homes, including the use of algorithms to predict temps on the route of the package and special packaging when needed." It goes on to say, in general, pills and capsules will not require ice or gel packs in extreme temps.
If you reach a certain extreme of temperature, no one is going to then say that for sure the medicine is going to be safe to take. So you saved a couple of bucks doing it, but you could be putting yourself at risk.
Leaving consumers to take a hard look at the safety of their mail-order medicines. Ben Becker, CBS 47, Action News Jax.
All right, some of the signs your prescription drugs are damaged: if there's a difference in color, texture, or smell, if they're stuck together or harder or softer than normal, if they're cracked or chipped, don't take them. Instead, contact the mail order pharmacy that shipped them. We've put other resources on mail order medications and your rights on the Action News Jax mobile app.